Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 47. In 390 BC, Rome faced one of its earliest and most devastating defeats at the Battle of the Allia against the Senones, a Gallic tribe led by Brennus. The crushing loss left Rome defenseless, leading to the notorious sack of Rome by the Gauls. The invaders occupied and looted the city, a shocking blow to the ancient world. According to legend, the Gauls were bribed to leave with a ransom of gold, during which Brennus declared Vae Victis, or Woe to the Vanquished. This event profoundly impacted Rome, prompting significant military reforms and shaping Roman attitudes towards defense and foreign policy. The sack of Rome became a symbol of resilience for Rome, influencing its future military strategies and leaving a lasting mark on its collective memory.